This is Scandinavian news. Is from Finland. There is a storm, snowfall, and heavy wind, and you can see there is a hazardous and chaos in whole the country. So this is started just a couple of hours ago, and now it's intensifying in whole the country. Finland is struck by a storm today, and it is expected that it will be continue until tomorrow afternoon. So it is here in Finland. This weather is, they are very used to it. The people are very used to this kind of a weather, but this is really unseasonal. Today is 10th of April, and people were expecting a spring, but now there is a heavy snowfall, storm, and it's really a gusty wind is now striking to the country. So here I can show you that there is, you can see everywhere that snow is falling, and the wind is now not so quite great and heavy. So this is the area, and it's really doing hard, and there is a snow everywhere. So this is a Scandinavian news reporting from Finland.